Alright, so today we talked about similar polygons, and for similar polygons we had this thing called a scale factor. So this is going to be problem number 11 from your homework, and the first thing that we have to do on problem number 11 is identify the sides that correspond with each other. So for number 11, the sides that correspond are this side with 18 and this side with 8, the side with 24, and the side with nothing on it, 14 and y, and 28 and x. And we can tell because of the angles. So this angle corresponds with this angle corresponds with this angle. So these two corresponding angles, since these sides are between those two pairs of angles, that means that they correspond. And also they look like they correspond, so we can kind of do this one by looks. So from here we need to find the scale factor. So we need a pair of corresponding sides that we know both of the side lengths. So for this we're going to use 18 and 8. So to find our scale factor, all we have to do is go 18 over 8, and also 8 over 18 to find for the other way. Well, 18 over 8, if we reduce this we get 9 over 4, and if we reduce this one we get 4 over 9. So those are our scale factors, and this one is bigger, and this one is smaller. So if we need to make something bigger, we have to use this one. If we need to make something smaller, we have to use this one. In this case, both of these correspond with x and y, so 28 and 14 correspond with x and y, and we need to make both of these smaller. So starting with x, x is going to be 28 times our smaller scale factor. So 28 times 4 over 9. Alright, so if we do this in a calculator, we can do it with a calculator, we can do it without a calculator, but 28 times 4 over 9 is going to be 12 and 4/9. If you did this just with a calculator by itself, you'd get 12.4 repeating. But that's the same thing as 12 and 4/9. So x is 12 and 4/9. And then to find y, we do the same thing except with 14 because 14 corresponds with y. So to find y equals 14 times 4/9. So 14 times 4/9 is going to be, if we just plugged it into a calculator and got a decimal, we'd get 6.22 repeating, which is also equal to 6 and 2/9. Alright, so there we go. We've got x and we've got y.